Geometrical interpretation of indefinite integral. Let f of x is equal to 2x. Then integration of f of x dx is equal to x square plus c. For different values of c, we get different integrals. But these integrals are very similar geometrically. Therefore, y is equal to x square plus c, where c is arbitrary constant, represents a family of integrals. By assigning different values to c, we get different members of the family. These together constitute the indefinite integral. In this case, each integral represents a parabola with its axis along y-axis. Now, for c is equal to 0, we get y is equal to x square, which is a parabola with vertex at origin and axis y-axis. For c is equal to 1, y is equal to x square plus 1, which is again a parabola with vertex 0, 1 and axis y-axis. C is equal to minus 1 represents a parabola y is equal to x square minus 1 whose vertex is 0, minus 1. Thus, for each positive value of c, each parabola of the family has its vertex on the positive side of the y-axis, and for negative values of c, each has its vertex along the negative side of the y-axis. Now, consider the intersection of all these parabolas by a line x is equal to a. If the line x is equal to a intersects the parabolas y is equal to x square, y is equal to x square plus 1, y is equal to x square plus 2, y is equal to x square minus 1, y is equal to x square minus 2 at p0, p1, p2, p minus 1, p minus 2, etc. respectively, then dy by dx at these points equals 2a. This indicates that the tangents to the curves at these points are parallel. Therefore, integration of 2x dx is equal to x square plus c, which is equal to capital F of x, implies that the tangents to all the curves y is equal to f of x at c, where c belongs to R at the points of intersection of the curves by the line x is equal to a are parallel. Further, the statement integration of f of x dx is equal to capital F of x plus c, which is equal to y, represents a family of curves. The different values of c will correspond to different members of this family, and these members can be obtained by shifting any one of the curves parallel to itself. This is the geometrical interpretation of indefinite integral.